everyone and welcome back to Nazira's Lifestyle channel. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all well. I can't believe it's been almost a month since we last uploaded. It's crazy. But during the time we were gone, we did film extra content, one of which is this beautiful strawberry cheesecake video that we created, I think about 2 or 3 weeks ago maybe. But yeah, the reason why we chose to upload this dessert video today is purely because it's been a while since we've uploaded a dessert recipe to this channel. So why not indulge in a strawberry cheesecake? It's really simple to make. It was literally only a few ingredients and you don't require any oven to bake this, so it's literally just a fridge and then you can enjoy it. What I love about this cheesecake is it's made up of 4 different layers. The biscuit base, followed by a cream cheese and double cream strawberry filled pale pink layer, and then topped with a double cream filling, and finally the strawberry and gelatine top layer. Without further ado, let's get started. So over here we're going to create our biscuit base, and here I have my digestives. Plain digestive biscuits are ideal, and you want to try and buy a slightly better quality digestive biscuit, only because that way the biscuit won't crumble so thinly. If however you do use a slightly cheaper biscuit base, then a great way to sort of beef up the biscuit base is to add a few more digestive biscuits if it's a little too crumbly. And so I didn't have a paper bag. I've literally hit them with a rolling pin in a pot and then transferred it to a blender, and this is the product after it's come out the blender. So I'm taking 2 cupfuls and adding it to a bowl, and then I'm going to add 8 tablespoons of melted butter to this mixture, and then I'm going to thoroughly incorporate or combine and mix these 2 ingredients together, just so that that butter is nicely distributed within the biscuits. And over here I'm transferring this to a cake tin. I'm using a regular cake tin only because I didn't have the fancy one where you can open it on the side, just because I haven't invested in one recently. I feel like this just does the job. It's simple and easy, and I'm using a spatula to flatten the base, and to get the base even more flat I'm using a silver spoon. And don't be afraid to get in there with your hands and flatten it out to the best you can. And this is the product of me flattening it. So for the next step, I'm pureeing the strawberries. So I've washed and cut up some strawberries, and the puree is going to be added a little bit to the first layer of cream cheese and double cream, as well as on the top layer mixed with gelatine. I'm really sorry for the lack of footage in this video, guys. So over here I've whipped some cream cheese, and I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of honey. I've also whipped some double cream, and here I am combining those 2 ingredients. And I'm going to add in the cut strawberries and give this a mix to a portion of that. So to create this, what you do is, to the biscuit base you want to add strawberries, half cut strawberries around the edge, and then put this in the fridge for 30 minutes to create that effect. Then you want to evenly spread the strawberry, cream cheese and double cream mixture alongside this, and then set it aside in the fridge for about an hour, followed by the plain double cream layer, and then finally top this with some vegetable gelatine that's been dissolved in water mixed with the strawberry puree. I hope at a later stage I'm able to show you a more in-depth video on how to do all of these steps. It's just I wanted to show you a dessert since there hasn't been a dessert on this channel for a while, so I thought you may be interested in how to achieve this. So as you can see, here's the final product. We have all 4 layers here: the strawberry gelatine layer, followed by the double cream layer, and the strawberry cream cheese double cream filling, and the biscuit base. And once again, it's vegetable gelatine we use, so it's completely vegetarian. And we hope you really enjoyed this video. If you really did enjoy watching this video, please like for similar content, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Until next time, see you then. Bye!